Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So Samsung might bring the Samsung Galaxy Note 22 Ultra released in August 2022, so all the Galaxy Note smartphone has been shifted till next year due to the existence of the Galaxy S21 Ultra. However, the company has confirmed that the Galaxy Note series will have newer phones in the coming days, and the brand is likely to name it Galaxy Note 21 Ultra or Galaxy Note 22 Ultra, depending on the launch date. Though we haven't got an official render of the Galaxy Note 22 Ultra or have an idea of how it might look like. Like the Galaxy Note 21 Ultra does look a lot like the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, especially with that secondary display at the back. However, the device does have a similar camera module as the Galaxy S21 Ultra. The Galaxy Note 22 Ultra will be among the first Samsung smartphone to feature an under-display selfie camera. However, it won't be the first commercial smartphone to do so. Keeping aside the hidden selfie camera, the Galaxy Note 22 Ultra does look a lot like the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra with a curved display and is likely to offer features like QHD plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. Please subscribe to Mrnewmobile channel. So speaking on the camera setup on the rear end, the device has a quad camera setup and 40MP front camera, with a dedicated telephoto, periscope, and an ultra-wide-angle lens along with a high-resolution primary sensor, which is likely to be a 108MP sensor. We can also expect to see features like 8K video recording and up to 100x zooming capability, albeit a digital hybrid zoom. On the hardware side, the Galaxy Note 22 Ultra is likely to be powered by the top-tier Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 or Exynos processor. The Exynos 2100, 5nm, global variant is expected to feature high-end mobile graphics, con-engineered with AMD, and is expected to offer the best possible graphics performance on a smartphone. As AMD announced at Computer 2021 that the company has started a cooperation with Samsung for its upcoming Exynos SoC, which will come with an AMD RDNA 2 GPU with support for ray tracing and variable rate shading. Both features will make games on your mobile look even better. To compensate for the heat during intensive gaming sessions, a built-in fan could come in handy. The Samsung Galaxy Note 22 Ultra we have 4G network's 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display, Android 12, 12GB RAM, 256GB, and 512GB storage option. LiPo 5000 mAh non-removable battery, fast Qi, PMA wireless charging, reverse wireless charging 15W. IP68 dust and water resistant, up to 1440 by 3088 pixels resolutions. It will be protected with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus HDR10 Plus always-on display. It will also include microSD card slot. The Samsung Galaxy Note 22 Ultra has multiple storage models and color options. As this is a Note series device, it is also likely to pack a next-gen S Pen with new features and capabilities, just as the Note 21 Ultra, which is rumored to come with an upgrade stylus S Pen in the box. So the information gathered is based on leaks and rumors, and we are looking forward to get the official confirmation, and once there are new leaks I will share with you guys. That is all for now guys. Are you Galaxy Note fans? Let me know in the comment below. Without being said, if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.